Oh my God, man. Well, today it's 26 degrees outside and windy, so what's a better day than work on the bike? So I will be installing this today. This Kuryakynk, however the heck you say this stuff. These tracer LEDs. So I have a 14 ultra limited with and we'll be setting these up today. So I already took the fairing off and disconnected the lights. This is what you need to get to. On the ultra limited has the connectors here on the side. So that's the connection. There's the connector. They need to put the wire in the split. So here's the splice they give you. Real nice connections, all weatherproof, sealed. The wires are nice and covered in. So you take your new adapter to test it out. New one. This is connected. There's that. So connect this back on to test it. Make sure everything works. So that. There's that. Need to ground the wire to make that connect. Oh. And then there's the turn signal working. And now it's back. So what I have is a nice little kit of these plastic tools. They seem to work pretty good. Don't mar stuff up. So here, pop all this stuff loose. That popped out. Very easy. Alright, so it has you removing the 2 screws. That is right. Wow, it's dark inside here by the brake pedal. So they're what the heck are they? T30. You take the 2 screws out. No, pop your shit together. Alright, so full wire through. Be careful not to give it a kink, because you don't want kinks. That lines up perfect. Holy crap, that was easy. It's in there. Ain't going nowhere. Break it around there. So bring it around the front of the foot tubes, I guess. There's so many ways to run this brake. They give you enough wire, so ain't much to worry about. Just bring it back through the hole here with the other brackets. Here's your splice wire that they give you. Here's your connector. Connection. Stuff in back in there. This side much easier. Easy to reach the damn bolts. All right, other side, here he is. Nice to have some warm weather to soften these cords up a little bit. But warm might be right. There we go. Put a hole right here at the bottom. Stuff it in there. Sure. Magically appear right there. Pull that through. And make sure everything's kind of not twisted, it's nice and flat. And magically snap it into place. Unbelievable. This stuff is great. Now, test the lights out. There's your hazards. Gotta get these next. Nice. So, this is how I ran my cord. Out of the bottom here, I gotta trim these off, but I figure I'd do this first. So, wire comes out the bottom here, loops up, and I just open these bands up on the brake pedal side and ran them in with the cable. Connected it to the cable here with a strap. I'll put another one up here to hold it a little better, and just looped it all up right here on this harness here. That's it for that side. Brake side is definitely a bigger pain in the butt. So do that side first. Get all your cussing out on that end, and then come to this side where you can reach these screws nice and easy, and everything connects easier. You have a little more space. So same with this side. I ran the wire out here, down along the bottom with these wires. Got it right here at the bottom of the frame. Brought it up around between your engine mount here, up under the gas tank, and then tied it to the main harness here. And then there's these little straps that hold the harness in. And I just put a loop on there and looped up the rest of the wire. And that's it. So it was a very easy install on the shifter side. Right side, a little more of a pain in the butt, a little tighter to work in. But in all, awesome product. And install took no time at all.